Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install 1.1.1.1 plus WRF and Shifter Internet VPN on your device. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. I brought the Play Store app on my first page, so simply tap on the Google Play Store application, then wait for a while to get in the page and tap on the search box on the upper part. So I'm just going to tap 1.1.1.1. so they already recommend it, so I'm just going to tap, and you can see it's really easy to use. You can choose, there are also premium version available, so simply tap on the install button. It takes few time to install on your device. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.